so I just took a shower and I'm getting ready. I am running super late. It's 2:10 and I'm supposed to leave at 2:30. So let's just quickly get my makeup done. Yeah. This is my first time actually doing a sit down makeup video, and I'll just be telling you about my makeup routine. So I just start with the Cetaphil moisturizer because it's very important to hydrate your skin before putting any makeup on it. This is much better. So I am done with the whole prepping routine. I use this Age Rewind concealer for my under eyes. I don't use foundation anymore. I just use my concealer for everything. And I just use my hands to blend all of this out. Also, like, another reason why I'm not using a beauty blender is because it's very dirty, so I just need to wash it. And for my forehead is somewhere I get a lot of acne, so I just try not to put much products there. I wanted to dress really girly today, but then I got my periods in the morning, so I thought I would rather be comfortable than wear a dress. This is Glass Glow by Rene. I just take a drop of it, then I put it on my points where I want the highlight to be, where I want it to look really dewy. And I take the concealer again and I dab it.
As you can see, I just don't really follow like a proper routine because I do what works for me, and I'm running very late, so this is what really works for me right now.
See, this is how the base looks. I will be putting this DM Beauty blush. I really love this blush. It's a multi-stick and I'm halfway through with this. I just dab it with my hands. I'm going for the blush blindness thing, but mainly because my skin is very dry, so it absorbs every makeup I put on it. So I know for a fact that I will have to retouch this again. And for my hair, I'll tell you. So I just got a haircut today and this is how my hair looks. It just looks really good. Now for the lips, this is a Mars concealer. It's not sharpened, but let's just work with this right now. We work with what we have. This is a basic lipstick that I have. Now let's do the eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I honestly don't know what I do. I feel I'm the worst person to be making this video, but yeah. This is a spoolie thing. This is from Mars. Most of my makeup is from Mars. I don't know. I think they're doing really well nowadays with their marketing and with their products. Now let's just do my eyes. For my eyes, I have this palette from e.l.f. but I don't want to use this palette. Where's my other palette? I don't know what I'll be doing, but let's see. I want to do something very girly, minimalistic kind of a thing. Another reason why I use my hands instead of like brushes is because brushes are very expensive and I don't really know like what exactly to buy. Looks really bad. This doesn't look good at all. We girls put in so much effort getting ready, and then the guy just shows up in like what, gym shorts. Okay, so my makeup is done. This is how it looks. Let's just do my eyeliner now. I forgot to shoot the other part. I've used this Nykaa compact to set my face. As you can see, I have powdered my under eyes and on my face with this. For the accessories, I am wearing this. This is my mom's first watch that I am wearing, and this is something that I just got from Sarojini. This was a gift on my birthday. I'll be like removing this. And now the most important part, because you have to look like a glazing donut whenever you're going out. So take some highlighter and apply it on your collarbone like that. And there you have it. And my makeup is done. I'm using this from Bella Vita. This smells like rose.
Oh, what do you need? Hot tea, coffee, lip gloss.
Okay, so this is what my outfit looks like. This top is from H&M. These pants are from H&M. And for shoes, I'm wearing these. These are from Nike. And I did a little DIY here. As you can see, I added these beads. And as for my bag, I have this bag that I got as a gift again. I'll be taking this bag. So this is the outfit for today. So over that top, I'm wearing this purple sweater because I am traveling in Delhi. So I will be removing the sweater when I'll be reaching to that destination. So this is my fit and cute. This is from Sarojini. If you see me wearing anything cute, you have to know it's either from Sarojini or any thrift store on Instagram. Let's go.